Hey guys, it's day 2 of Vlogmas. I am running a little late today, so I'm gonna do all my makeup off camera and I'll get back with y'all once I'm in the car. Alrighty. Hey guys, we're finally in the car. We had to make a quick little stop because my mom had my dog and she gets very car sick easily, so we had to drop her off at home. My niece is with me in the car. You see her? She's on her phone. Can you guess how old she is? Bug. Jaylyn. She don't listen. She's 3 and she has a phone. So, but we were just waiting for Mom. Hi, Mom. Are you okay?
Yes.
I told you not to take her in the car and you never freaking listened to me.
Oh, God.
Now you'll listen. This is why I don't travel with my animal. Mom, you don't have to smile every time I turn the camera. Guys, this is my mom. Y'all don't know, but y'all should know. She's I don't know if I'm your mom. That's not nice. It looks all like you. What are you talking about? I found you with the Muppet babies. Oh yeah, guys. My mom says I look like a Muppet. I have no idea.
When she was a baby.
When I was a baby. Not now. Now I look like her. I look all like her. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's the new little Muppet baby. But she didn't want to say hi, so I don't know. But Mom, what are we doing? We'll go pick up a mattress. What mattress? And my Mazda. She was at my door. She closed the door to the room. And I hear her singing it, right? She's like, do you want to build a snowman? And I'm laying on the bed and it's getting louder. I'm like, what? And she's like, and she opens the door. She goes, Momo, you don't hear me? Do you want to build a snowman? Oh my God. Say hi, Bug. Hi. Bug, how old are you? Max, how old are you? 5. You're like cute. Oh my God. Give me your hand. Max, what's the one thing you love?
Eating.
Eating? Eating pizza? Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, they're coming back with your cousin. Alrighty guys, so that was it for Vlogmas Day 2. I took you along with me, my mom, my niece, and my nephew for the day, and we had, you know, a blast running around town and doing everything that we had to do. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3. Peace, guys.